Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best swimsuit is probably one of the most essential pieces of clothing for anyone looking to enjoy a day at the beach, pool, or even just a relaxing spa day. With so many options available, choosing the perfect one can feel overwhelming, but fear not. We're diving deep into the world of Socozy Swim to help you find a swimsuit that not only looks fantastic but also feels incredibly comfortable and supportive, ensuring you make a splash for all the right reasons. Number 5. Socozy Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Are you struggling with knots and tangles in your child's curly hair? It can be a daily battle to get those beautiful curls smooth and manageable. Meet the solution designed specifically for kids' delicate hair. This spray is here to make detangling a breeze. Infused with nourishing ingredients like keratin, vitamin B5, olive oil, and jojoba oil, it gently conditions and hydrates. It works to detangle knots effectively while providing deep conditioning for softer, healthier-looking curls. You can feel good about using this paraben-free formula on your little one's hair. It's gentle enough for everyday use. Say goodbye to frustrating knots and hello to smooth, manageable, and beautifully defined curls. It's the perfect addition to your hair care routine. What we like. This product is a fantastic detangler for kids' curly hair. It provides deep nourishment and is gentle on their delicate strands. If you have a child with stubborn knots and tangles in their curly hair, this is the perfect solution for easy combing. What people say. The fabric is soft and stretchy, making it comfortable for all-day wear. The design is flattering and provides good coverage. It holds up well after multiple washes without fading or losing its shape. Number 4. Socozy Swim 2-in-1 Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Meet the ultimate hair solution for your little ones. This innovative spray is designed to protect and repair hair from the harsh effects of sun, pool, and salt water. It actively works to shield delicate hair from damage caused by environmental stressors. Enjoy worry-free fun in the sun and water, knowing their hair is being cared for. Formulated with activated charcoal, vitamin B5, and sunflower seed extract, it nourishes and revitalizes. These powerful ingredients work together to restore health and shine to their locks. As a convenient leave-in treatment, it simplifies your hair care routine. Simply spray and go, providing continuous protection and hydration throughout the day. Specially created for children's hair, it offers a gentle yet effective way to manage and improve hair condition. Keep their hair soft, manageable, and healthy with every use. Get double the protection with this value pack, containing 2 8 ounces bottles. It's the perfect way to ensure you always have this essential hair protector on hand. What we like. This is your go-to for protecting hair from environmental damage. It actively repairs hair affected by pool chlorine, sun, and salt. If your child spends a lot of time swimming or playing outdoors, this will keep their hair healthy and protected. What people say. This product has miraculously been able to keep their hair soft, moisturized, manageable and light, which is quite the feat with their thick hair. The gentle formula, enriched with activated charcoal, vitamin B5, and sunflower seed extract, does an excellent job of nourishing and revitalizing strands without weighing them down. Parents will appreciate how easy it is to use. Just spray on damp or dry hair, and it helps detangle while providing a protective barrier. Number 3. Socozy Curl Conditioner for Kids. Introducing Socozy Curl Conditioner, specially designed for your child's delicate hair. It's the perfect way to achieve soft, manageable curls. This conditioner works to restore the natural bounce and elasticity to your child's curls. Say goodbye to limp, lifeless hair and hello to vibrant, bouncy locks. Watch as their hair transforms with a brilliant, healthy shine. It leaves curls looking radiant and feeling incredibly soft to the touch. We believe in gentle care, which is why our formula is free from parabens, sulfates, synthetic colors, and dyes. It's safe and effective for your little one's hair. Enjoy the delightful sweet cream scent that makes hair washing a pleasant experience. It leaves hair smelling fresh and clean. This nourishing conditioner provides essential hydration for soft, healthy curls. It's the perfect addition to your child's hair care routine. What we like. This conditioner is designed to make hair incredibly soft and restore its natural bounce and shine. It's formulated without harsh chemicals like parabens and sulfates. If you're looking for a product to revitalize dull, lifeless curls and make them feel amazing, this is the one. What people say. It leaves their hair moisturized, soft and bouncy, and the curls stay defined without frizz or dryness. It leaves their hair silky smooth, soft, and never oily, and the scent is absolutely heavenly. It does an amazing job softening curls, restoring bounce, and adding shine while taming frizz and tangles. Number 2. Socozy Kids Curl Shampoo. Introducing Socozy Curl Shampoo, the perfect choice for your child's delicate curls. It gently cleanses while providing essential hydration. This ultra-hydrating cleanser is specifically designed for kids' hair. It leaves curls soft, manageable, and beautifully defined. You can trust our formula, as it's free from parabens, sulfates, and synthetic colors or dyes. We prioritize gentle, safe ingredients for your little one. Enjoy the pleasant sweet cream fragrance that makes bath time a treat. It's a scent kids will love. This shampoo not only cleanses but also nourishes and protects your child's curls. Experience healthier, happier hair with every wash. Its gentle formulation makes it ideal for everyday use, ensuring your child's curls stay hydrated and healthy. Give their hair the care it deserves. What we like. This shampoo offers an ultra-hydrating cleanse specifically for kids' curly hair. Its gentle formula ensures a thorough yet mild wash. If your child's curly hair needs a deep clean without stripping moisture, this is an excellent choice for maintaining healthy, hydrated curls. What people say. The immediate change was insane. The first time shampooing and conditioning her hair, it took 2 minutes to comb her hair afterward. Her hair is so soft, smells amazing, and her curls are shiny and bouncy. The detangler is amazing and knocks my one radical curl that wants to be a dread at the back of my head into submission. It relaxes said rebel curl enough that at the end of the day I am not battling knots and stones. Very gentle and non-stripping to my hair. It left my hair softer than most other shampoos, including those made for ethnic hair. So that hydrating claim is definitely true. Number 1. Malibu Sea Swimmers Wellness Shampoo and Conditioner Plus Hair Mask Kit. Dive into summer with the ultimate hair care solution. This kit is designed to protect and revitalize your hair, keeping it healthy and vibrant all season long. Worried about pool chlorine and copper damage? Our specially formulated products create a protective barrier, preventing discoloration and dryness caused by harsh elements. Experience the triple action of clarifying, moisturizing, and shine-restoring care. It gently removes impurities while infusing your strands with essential moisture for a brilliant, healthy look. This essential kit is suitable for both adults and kids. Everyone can enjoy protected, beautiful hair throughout the summer months. With 6 convenient items, this kit has everything you need for optimal hair wellness. Keep your hair looking its best, no matter your summer adventures. What we like. This kit is a comprehensive solution for clarifying, moisturizing, and restoring shine to hair. It's designed to protect against pool chlorine and copper damage. If you or your child need a complete hair reset after swimming or exposure to harsh elements, this kit provides all the essentials for revitalized hair. What people say. Removes the green tint from hair and leaves hair soft. This shampoo removes the residue on my hair. Immediately removed the chlorine and mineral buildup from my daughter's hair and made it easy to brush again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.